Hey everybody, we're going to quickly show you how to send your crypto from your Coinbase account to Exodus. Moving your funds from a Coinbase account to a wallet like Exodus means greater privacy and complete control over your funds. This means there are no deposit and withdrawal limits with Exodus, no frozen accounts, no one telling you where or when or to who you can send your money. You are in full control of your cryptocurrency. First, log into your Coinbase account and open your Bitcoin wallet by clicking Portfolio at the top of the screen and then the Bitcoin section. Next, open Exodus and click Send Assets to Wallet. This will open your Bitcoin wallet. If you would like to send a different cryptocurrency, you can type the name in the search bar to open its wallet. In this example, we're going to send BTC from Coinbase to Exodus, but you can send any of the over 100 assets Exodus supports from any other application you'd like, such as Binance, Kraken, Gemini, or even Cash App. Click on the Receive tab, and then click on the copy icon. Go back to your Coinbase Bitcoin wallet and select the amount you want to send. Paste in your Exodus address. Verify the address was copied correctly. Remember, Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so it's important to verify the address was copied correctly. When you're ready, hit send. That's all there is to it. Your Exodus wallet should display your crypto soon after you send. You now have control of your wealth.